Hi there, Chris from Broken Stones here. This morning I thought we'd have a little look at how we go about emailing invoices out of Sage. I'll show you how we do it and how we can save ourselves quite a bit of time, especially when we're doing regular monthly invoices. So you see I'm just sat on the welcome screen within Sage here. We're using Sage 2014 here, and all I'm going to do is I'm on customers and I'm just going to jump to invoice list. I'm just going to pick my top invoice there, that's the one I want to email out, and I'm just going to hit this email button up at the top. And then what you'll notice, after a second, we get a little message pop up to say it's output to email, and that's actually popped that invoice out to an email. And if I jump into my Outlook here, you can see it's this top one here, and I can double click on that PDF, open up, and that's our invoice. It's on one of our standard template invoices here. We've got our customer details, we've got our VAT number there. We scroll down at the bottom after our totals, we've got this neat little Pay Now button. And what happens when the customer clicks that? That takes them straight to our Sage Pay page. And if this was in our live account, what they'd now see is they'd see the total amount of the invoice and then a little button to confirm that, and they'd then be asked for their card details. Once they pop them in, verify their card, and the money's over to you. There's one little last thing I just wanted to show you, which is really neat about emailing invoices. Let's just delete those old ones there. We don't need them anymore. And that's when you've got multiple invoices to send out at once. All you do is you just select all the invoices you want to send, and I'm going to send all three here. Then I'm going to hit that email button again. And you'll see we get the same message to say it's been output to email. And what I've got now, I've got those three invoices that we've just selected. You see invoice 1, 2 and 3. They're all set up there with the emails ready to send, and I can just go through and hit send, send and send, and that's all my invoices sent. Really neat way just to save a bit of time and to get them out there quickly. So let's look at how we get all this set up for you, shall we?